Hey, this is Talha Ghori. We are here at Talha Ghori Photography School. Today is the day one of a 3-day photography workshop session with Godox in collaboration with B&W Collections Pakistan.
Hi, this is Vakas from B&W Collections. We are here at Talha Ghori Photography Studio. We are here for a workshop sponsored by Godox, and we are the largest online retailer for photography and videography equipment in Pakistan.
We have planned a 3-day activity. On the first day, we'll be shooting fashion indoors. On the second day, we'll be shooting a product photography session indoors. And on the third day, we'll be going outdoors with Godox battery-powered strobes, and we'll be pushing the strobes to its limits. Today we are shooting with Godox QS400 Mark II. The build quality of the lights is commendable. I'm sure they are going to perform very well during the shoots. We are going to use different lighting modifiers, Godox lighting modifiers to be precise, with these lights, and we'll be sharing the images with you guys as well. Today, we'll be using Godox 8600. It's a battery-powered strobe, and it's powerful enough to counter the sunlight. We'll be mix and matching the ambient light and the strobe light, and we'll try to make the background underexposed and make the model pop out of the frame. I'll be using a Godox deep parabolic softbox to modify the light. Let's see how does it perform.